Hello everyone, happy early Halloween, and welcome to another video. Before we get started, I'd love it if you could obliterate that subscribe button, drop me a like, leave me a comment, and hit that notification bell so you're kept up to date when new videos come out. Just a few clicks is all I ask. It helps me out a bunch, so thank you to those who are active on the channel. I really appreciate it. With that being said, let's get into today's video. Assuming you read today's title, you know what we're talking about, but for those of you who don't, today we're going to be talking about beginner sport bikes. There are so many options for beginner bikes out there today, and it can become pretty overwhelming which to choose. There are hundreds of videos out there saying what the best beginner bike is, but honestly, the beginner bike you like the most will be the best. There are definitely a few you should stay away from, but as a beginner, the most important thing is to make sure you're creating good habits and improving upon what you learned in the MSF, as well as adding to it. I'm going to attempt to talk about all classes of beginner bikes, but to make it easier to digest, I'm going to break it up into a few different videos. I'll give you my opinion of which ones are better at the end. Like I said before, the first style of motorcycle we're going to be talking about today are sport bikes. From Yamaha, we have the R3 that has a 321cc parallel twin engine that's making a claimed 50 horsepower, 21.8 pound-feet of torque, and has a 30.7-inch seat height and weighs in at 375 pounds. The R3 for 2022 costs an MSRP of $5,299, and it sees a price increase to $5,499 for the 2023 model year, with ABS being standard since 2021. From Kawasaki, we have the Ninja 400 that has a 399cc parallel twin engine that's making a claimed 49 horsepower, 28 pound-feet of torque, and has a seat height of 30.9 inches and weighs in at 366 pounds. The Ninja 400 for 2022 costs an MSRP of $5,199 without ABS and $5,599 if you want ABS. The Ninja also sees a slight price increase for 2023, costing $5,299 and then $5,699 if you want ABS. Both the Ninja 400 and the R3 are really good beginner bikes. From Suzuki, we have the GSX 250R that has a 248cc parallel twin engine that is making a claimed 25 horsepower, 14 pound-feet of torque, and has a seat height of 31.1 inches and weighs in at 399 pounds. The GSX 250R has an MSRP of $4,999 for 2022 and no price out yet for 2023. Next, we have two bikes coming from Honda. The first being the CBR 300R that has a 286cc single-cylinder engine making a claimed 30.5 horsepower, 20 pound-feet of torque, has a seat height of 30.7 inches, and weighs in at 357 pounds. The CBR 300R costs a base MSRP of $4,899 or $5,099 with ABS for 2022. The second bike from Honda is the CBR 500R that has a 471cc parallel twin engine that's making a claimed 50 horsepower, 31.7 pound-feet of torque, has a seat height of 30.9 inches, and weighs in at 423 pounds. The CBR 500R costs a base MSRP of $7,199 for 2022 with ABS as standard. And finally, rounding out today's list, we have the KTM RC390 that has a 373cc 373cc single-cylinder engine that's making a claimed 44 horsepower, 27 pound-feet of torque, has a seat height of 32.4 inches, and weighs in at 342 pounds. The RC390 has a base MSRP of $5,799 for 2022. It's got a good amount of tech, including ABS, traction control, as well as cornering ABS. In my humble opinion, the only two bikes to decide between are either the Ninja 400 or the R3. I know that sounds biased considering I own an R3, but hear me out. Each bike has their pros, besides the GSX 250R, sorry Suzuki boys, but when considering cost, performance, reliability, resellability, ease of maintenance, and curb appeal, the Ninja 400 and R3 come out on top. The CBR 300R is a great bike, but in my experience, comes in behind the Ninja and the Yamaha. The Suzuki GSX 250R is underpowered, and the CBR 500R is very heavy, overpriced, and underpowered for what it is. For a similar price as the CBR 500R, you can get bikes that perform way better, like the Yamaha R7, the Honda CBR 650R, or the Triumph Trident 660. The KTM is a great bike, but has the most aggressive ergonomics compared to the others and can have reliability issues. Both the R3 and Ninja 400 are reliable, have great performance for the cost, are fairly easy to resell because they're so popular, and are the two better looking bikes, in my opinion. At the end of the day, it's your money, so you should buy whatever you want, and I'm sure you love it. That's all I have for you today, guys. And if you've made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you more than you know. I would love it if you could click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you're kept up to date when new videos come out. Drop me a like, drop me a comment, and let me know your thoughts. Did you like it? Did you hate it? Let me know. And if there's anything you want to see specifically, again, let me know in the comments and we'll make it happen. As always, guys, ride safe.